Hey, good evening, Micromep here with the post-market recap. Let's take a look at the futures. Actually, let's go to CNBC and take a look at what we did in the regular session. Dow Jones up 172 points to notch six positive consecutive positive days, longest win streak in 2024. S&P was flat. Nasdaq down 29. Small caps down 9, and VIX down 23 to 13 here. Here in the after hours, here are the futures currently. 10-year almost 450. Let's take a look at what the dollar's doing. 105.50 up 8 cents. Foreign currencies pretty much mixed. Aussie 65.8. Pound 1.24, Loonie 0.729. I don't know which one this one is. Oh, that's a euro. The euro 107.6. The yen 0.0064650. So it's pretty mixed. Bitcoin, Bitcoin down 1,000 in the after hours here to 61,425. I think it's been fluctuating a lot. I think the key number there is 60. We'll see what happens eventually there. Oil 79.25 up a quarter. S&P down 3 to 52.09. Gold down 6 to 23.15. Small caps down 2 to 20.62. Nasdaq down 23 to 18.163. Dow Jones flat, 39.195. I think 40K should be around the corner the way this thing's trading. Nat gas 217. Grains don't open till 8. Silver down 4 cents, 25.56. We just opened about an hour ago, more or less. After hours, we have Beyond Meat down 14%. I don't know why anybody would eat that crap, but whatever. Hood up 3%, ARM down 10%, Airbnb down 10%, IonQ up 5% almost, Shopify destroyed, down 18%, Duolingo down 14%. A lot of big moves in the after hours here today. PayPal down 3%. That thing's just been in a funk. Beyond Meat down 14%. What? Comment below if you eat this stuff. I mean, oh God, I can't see myself eating that. I need a whole burger. I need real meat. Trade desk down 3%. I would just like to know who eats that. I know Walmart. I saw a YouTube short. The guy they had it like a 50% off that stuff, like a pound of it for like $3. It's just garbage. And the ingredients in there, it's not healthy. Where we're at, Trade Desk down 3%, Uber down 5%. I rolled a position there. Hood up 3%. I think I already repeated those. Those are your biggest aftermarket trending. On the trade front, not much going on, to be sincere. What happened here? Let's see. I didn't have any fills in TD, Ameritrade. I had orders to try and get filled, but nothing got filled. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies in Upstart, Affirm, Lyft, Shop, but nothing got filled. I just wanted my number. If not, I didn't care. I did do 8 trades in the Tasty Trade account. I rolled Uber, closed Meta for basically a scratch. Did I scratch? Made a little bit of money. Let me see. Could go in here and see the activity on Meta. Tell you how much I made. 30 days. $1.86. I made 26 bucks after rolling. But now I'll set myself up for a better trade. I think in the future. One day. I like TEVA. Look at the long-term chart on TEVA. I think we have something here brewing. This is a 10-year chart. You can see here that we're well past this little trend here, the breakout here of this old high here of no, that's 1376. This here is 1544. This thick red candle here is 1544, and we closed at 1574 on huge volume. Um, TEVA's one to be watching, and I think long term, I think they had really good earnings. Um, take a look at this. They had 335% increase in volume today. This one I think is going to have some legs. They're Israeli developer of generic, specialty, and OTC drugs and active pharmaceutical ingredients. I think they have a schizophrenia drug that has good things going for it. This is a nice chart. I think this was a $30 stock back in the day, easy. If you look at this chart here, it was 33. So there's a lot of room here. And I think they had some litigation and some problems. The old high back in 2015 was 72.31. So keep an eye out on TEVA. I think they might be heading in the right direction. So I got a position there. I bought a leap. I bought the 25 out 2 years out. Toast, I did a put calendar, thinking that it'll give back some of those big gains I had today. LSAK, I bought stock, and I bought stock in LZ and GLDD, and I did a call calendar on Coupon, which was sold off today. Remember, invest at your own risk. I'm just telling you what I did today in the marketplace. Overall, was down today. It was kind of a soft day in the marketplace. Um, but we do have a lot of earnings and stuff like that. I don't think we have a lot of stuff on the economic front. I think we had a treasury sale, and it went well from what I gathered and I heard on the networks. I have to do more research on it. Um, but the after hours is pretty quiet, and we'll see what happens. There's a lot of good setups out there, and I'll do more research on setups um, that are good buy points. I have to do more research here in the after hours tonight, and as I bring more videos, it's just a little longer version, a recap of what I saw out there today. Um, on the bar chart, Tesla was down 3. Nvidia has earnings coming up. That's one to watch. Can be another catalyst for AI and chips. Uber, big loser today. Shopify, big loser today. Meta got a little bit bump after its big fall after earnings. ARM was down in the after hours, well under 100, but I think that should bounce back. Google gave up a little bit. Lyft, nice day. Microsoft, $1 for a $400 stock. IBM, a little bit of life. AFRM got crushed. Netflix back over 600. TEVA, we spoke about. Airbnb got hit after hours as well. Upstart got hit today. PayPal can't get out of its ways. And Boeing is just a yo-yo. I still have an iron condor, I think, in Boeing. I think I did it in this account. Yeah, I have an iron condor. I basically have it trading between 160, 155, and 195 and 200 for the next 44 days. I think I collected over 100 and I want to say I got like $150. I want to say. I'd have to look at the history. I think Trade Desk, they reported that we're down a little bit. Taiwan's been rallying, getting back up there again. Match losing paying subscribers on Tinder, from what I gathered. Luminar Technologies, nice day for them for a penny stock, up 18%. TripAdvisor got decimated. I tried to do something in there, didn't get filled. Reddit up 4%. Next Gen Energy down 12%. Just a lot of earnings plays that are moving. Toast up 13%. Coupang down 9%. Datadog up 4% after being down big after earnings. Arista Networks up 6%. Twilio down 750. Yep. And those are pretty much the biggest ones I saw today, most active. Good website, this bar chart. Can't live without it. I'm a premier member. Gives me ability to download Excel spreadsheets on this and do all kinds of stuff. And they got all kinds of things you could look up in the futures, currencies. Good website. I really like them. And I pay for a subscription. Um, can't live without these guys because of this. I wish I could. If you guys know how to screen these options on the Thinkorswim platform or Tasty Trade, I would love to uh, hear from you because I've been trying and I've never been able to. That's one less subscription I could pay for if I had that. Well, anyways, have a good night. And I grab this phone call. Have a good night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.